Alright, now this is the main armature I was talking about. This is your strut fields. Your brushes are right there with the little springs on them. And what you want to do is you want to check the depth of the brush from here to here, and that's pretty decent shape. And then you want to make sure they're movable, make sure they stay in place, so seat back up. See that? I'll make sure they all move. If any of those are stuck, then you're going to get a bad weld. They've got to bounce along that armature. Like I said, this rig here has been rewired for this newer machine, so that's why you see the little mess in there. Not too bad. All right, that one's stuck. We're gonna have to work on them brushes. So, yeah, there we go. See that one? See the light coming through that? That's a pretty good deal. Let's see what the other one does. The other one, see the light? Alright, so we know we got movement on them. Because those brushes have got to hop along the armature there. And that one, armature needs to be cleaned a little bit. But I'm going to get me another stone before I do all that. A lot of places these things stick are right here in each corner. But I got to get that freed up. I was welding with it yesterday and noticed it was kind of welding funny. Not too bad. That's the reason why I decided to do a little maintenance. I also put me a grease cert right back here. I did that on the 300 too. I just put me a little grease in that bearing from time to time, a couple of shots. That bearing is inside there, just because they do go out eventually if you don't, give them a little shot of grease. And why they didn't come with a grease cert, I don't know. But anyhow, I'm going to work on them brushes and try to get these free. And I'm going to need both of my hands. So I will be back later.